Hey, welcome back. Mark Cohen here. We're back on the bicycle tonight, trying to get this Rugby Streamliner going tonight. Got one piece that we've yet got to get to the powder coater, and we've got to get this plate cut. So I've taken a piece of cardboard. We're trying to fit it just as much as we can. Then we've got a piece of aluminum that we're going to cut to the finish to fit this plate here. I haven't decided how I'm going to lock it in. It'll probably be something very small. I don't want anything sticking out very far, but something that'll probably flip in behind this little panel right here. But it's got a few little slots down here in the bottom that will definitely want to be able to stab it in there and get that connected so it looks just like that. But I got to get it to the decal place and have them copy the lining on this. So, but basically we've just taken the cardboard. Sorry about that. I dropped you on the ground there. So basically we're going to get the edging cut here a little bit sharper through the track. We did get the rims taken down. We had to take them totally apart. I thought I could get the powder coating done without having to take it all apart, but they said that wouldn't work, so I took it down to my bike shop guy here in town, and he's going to take that part, take it apart and get it ready for the powder coating. So hopefully we'll one of our next segments we'll go in to shoot a little bit of the powder coating process on the bike. That's fitting pretty good there. So one of the tricks we want to hit when we cut this panel, I want to leave a little bit of a tab that will go in and hit these little spots, so when you open the door open, it will still stay in there without falling out. So that's something we're trying to accomplish hopefully tonight. It's always kind of nice to do something a little bit different, learn about something from the 30s and 40s. I think that's everything we need there. That looks a lot better. This little corner will be definitely something that's going to be a little bit tricky. We want to get it to fit just right. See if we can get this traced off just the way we want it. So if we measured everything right to get this cut out, we want those slots to hit just right. It's looking pretty good. We'll see if we've got something that we can cut this with. So hang on, I'll be right back. We're getting there, slowly but surely. All right, let's see if we can bend our tabs here now. kind of show you where we're at. Got the tabs cut now. We're going to try to roll this edge over, give it a little bit of strength. Just roll this little tab over just a little bit, and we'll see how that all fits in there. All right, let's roll that over now. So it gives you a little bit of the rolled edge there we're rolling over. Now give it a little bit of strength. Okay, I think we're close to getting ready to bend the tabs to the halfway point. We're really close. Our tabs are in really good. I've got some trimming to do there. Looks like a little bit of trimming to do on the top. So, kind of give you an idea what that looks like. All right, give you a finished look. You got it pretty well fitted into the slot. Hopefully we'll get maybe a little bit of a lock mechanism. This will pop down. But hopefully back to the 1930s, 1940s feel. But we'll get this sent off to our graphics person for tomorrow, have them copy that, and then we'll send it to the powder coater and get this all powder coated. So hang on, and we'll catch you on the next one.